So when you create a Remaker AI account, you get 30 credits to get started. And it can be easily burned out by testing out various AI tools. Now, if you want to upgrade or let's say purchase more credits, then it's super easy to do. All you have to do is click on price on the upper right hand side. And here you have the options, right? The most popular one is the 531 for basically $10, right? And you also have the 200 credits for $6. While the ones below, which is the 1,100 credits, 3,000 credits, and 20,000 credits, you can also purchase these if you want to use the Remaker AI quite a lot, right? So you don't really have to worry about credits there because it's a lot of credits. You can pay with your card, Google Pay, or even your Apple Pay. All you have to do is choose the option that you want to use to pay and hit pay, of course. And that's all that you really have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.